Basalt Stone Flooring. Benefits of basalt stone flooring. Dear friends, basalt stone flooring is a durable and versatile option that can be used in a variety of settings. Its natural beauty and strength make it an ideal choice for both residential and commercial spaces. From high-traffic areas like entryways and hallways to kitchens and bathrooms, its durability and slip-resistant properties make it a suitable flooring option. With proper installation and care, basalt flooring can last for many years, making it a great investment for any home or commercial space. Additionally, its ability to retain heat can provide warmth and comfort in cold climates, and its natural slip resistance can ensure safety in high-traffic areas. With its low maintenance and durability, basalt stone flooring is a great option that can add a touch of elegance and durability to any space like kitchens, bathrooms, floors, walls, barbecue areas, outdoors, slabs, tiles, cladding, etc. Benefits of basalt flooring. Durability. Basalt is a natural stone that is known for its strength and durability. It can withstand heavy foot traffic, making it ideal for use in high-traffic areas such as entryways and hallways. Retains heat. One of the biggest benefits of basalt flooring is its ability to retain heat. This makes it a great option for use in cold climates, as it can help keep your home warm during winter. Slip-resistant. Basalt flooring is also naturally slip-resistant, which makes it a safe choice for use in high-traffic areas, such as hallways and bathrooms. Low maintenance. Basalt flooring is relatively low maintenance. It is easy to clean and does not require regular sealing or polishing. Aesthetics. Basalt flooring has a natural beauty that is hard to replicate with other materials. Its dark color and smooth, glossy surface can add a touch of elegance to any room. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.